Hey friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I'm gonna show you how to import custom fonts in Premiere Pro. First of all, I want to use the faster one font in Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I'm not finding any results in my search. The first thing you need to do is extract the font zip file you downloaded. Then, open the extracted folder. Next step, open the font file as well. Finally, click the Install button. As you can see, it was installed in seconds. You can now close this page and open Adobe Premiere Pro. If Premiere Pro is already open, you need to close it and open it again. When you restart Premiere Pro, you will see that the installed font is now available. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to import custom fonts in Adobe Premiere Pro was helpful. If so, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.